It's okay, Enzo. It's alright. You're doing great. Yeah, I know. Rotten puppies. Rotten puppies. Uh-oh. It's okay, Enzo. They'll be back. Aww. It's alright. It's okay, Enzo. Yeah, good dog. Okay, Enzo doesn't really feel like playing right now, I don't think. Oops. You better play with the puppies. Enzo's bothered because he doesn't understand why his mom and dad aren't here. And you understood every bit of that, I'm sure. Hi, Enzo. So sorry. Pico's tired. Pico's so tired.